Tucked away in the farthest corners of India lies a region that most of the country knows little about. But this land, blessed with breathtaking beauty, rich resources, and ancient culture, is quietly rising to become India's next growth engine. Yes, this is the story of Northeast India's future. Sharing borders with China, Myanmar, Bhutan, and Bangladesh, Northeast isn't just geographically important, it is strategically vital. And now it is the part of India's Act East policy. Projects like India Myanmar Thailand Highway and Kala Dal Multimodal Transit are turning this region into a gateway to Southeast Asia. India's Act East policy aims to strengthen ties with Southeast Asia. Making Northeast India a gateway is central to this policy. This will allow diplomatic, economic, and more cultural engagement, promoting people-to-people contact, and at the end, positioning Northeast as a economic and cultural bridge. The Northeast infrastructure is visibly developing. Roads, rails, runways. The Northeast is being connected to the rest of the country like never before. The years of isolation of Northeast India is now turning into integration. With over 60,000 megawatts of hydropower potential, Northeast India is poised to light up the entire nation. But this power comes with responsibility. Large projects risk regions, delicate ecology, and tribal habitats. And the objective is usually the future must be green but also fair. The Northeast India might not build as many IT parks to become the Silicon Valley of India, but it will grow its economy around its strengths like tea, bamboo, spices, and organic products. With schemes like NEIDS and focused subsidies, the region is becoming a hub for clean and sustainable industries. From the root bridges of Meghalaya to the Zuko Valley, Northeast is India's hidden paradise. Ecotourism is not just an economic opportunity, it is a cultural revolution, empowering communities while also preserving the heritage. And today, Northeast India's youth are being armed with education and skills. This isn't just about the development, it is about the transformation. Northeast India today is growing its generation that doesn't need to migrate. They are creating, leading, and inspiring from where they are. Yes, challenges like ethnic tensions, ecological risks, and looming presence of China do remain, but the change and progress is undeniable. The future of Northeast India doesn't lie in just roads and rivers. It lies in the respect, recognition, and responsibility. We can say that from the heart of India and the rest of Asia, Northeast India is rising. Will the step taken by Indian government to grow the Indian economy using the rich resources of Northeast India bore us any value? Tell us in the comment section, and follow J2 Wealth if you like this video and would like to be notified on our next videos. Thank you so much.